Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Solflare wallet. Now, keep in mind, you need to send this money to an exchange because you can't directly withdraw money from Solflare into your account. So for this video, we're going to use Coinbase. And if you are in Coinbase, all you want to do is go to receive crypto. Now in here, you want to select Solana. And you'll see it says receive Sol on the Solana network and copy the wallet address. Now we want to open our Solflare wallet and we just want to go send and we want to paste the Solflare wallet over here. Oh, and make sure to put in the amount of Sol that you want to transfer. Okay, so I don't have any Solana, but for you, you'll press send and then it'll give you a review and you'll just complete the transaction. So now technically you have successfully done your withdrawal, as it will now appear in your Coinbase. But if you want to actually withdraw the money to your bank, what you're going to have to do is go to My Assets. You can click on Cash and you'll see you have the Convert Crypto option and you have the Withdraw options. Now, there are different options for different countries, but for my country, unfortunately, I am not able to make withdrawals, so I won't be able to finish the transaction. But that is how you do it. All you need to do is send the crypto to an exchange, and from there, your possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.